Are you feeling like you can never get your home tidy? Or you wish you can start organizing at home? Because having a more organized space or tidier room can help you feel more calm and be more productive. In this video, I'd like to share with you several ways to clear clutter and organize your space. For a well-organized home has many benefits. It includes having a healthier lifestyle, and it improves your creativity and clarity of mind. There are many strategies to organizing, so select the style that suits your needs. Start by writing down or making a list. Writing a list of the rooms or items you want to prioritize first. It's easier to break down the tasks and do a little bit each time. Visualize your ideal space so you can take a good look as if the room is empty. You can also start listing down items or things you do not need in that room. For paperwork, sort items into 3 piles. Once you have everything sorted, immediately file the papers you need to keep. Consider what type of storage you want to use and make sure it works for you and your family. Baskets and boxes make decluttering fast and easy. Don't forget to label these for its specific items or purpose. Give yourself about 5 or 10 minutes in your daily schedule to organize. This will help distractions away and make you work swiftly. And think about the day and time you would like to get this done to make sure you finish the task in that time frame. A quick tip is to start throwing out the trash in each room you organize. There are many tips to handle clothes. Some recommend donating or reselling clothes you have not touched for a few months. And you can ask yourself if there's someone else that can make a better use of your clothes. For kitchen counter or tables, wipe it down for a fresh start. And relocate misplaced items that do not belong in the kitchen. Making your bed first thing in the morning is the simplest thing you can do to make your bedroom look instantly clean and put together. For books, ask yourself if you have too many books, or are you really tight on space? This will help you decide whether to keep or resell or donate some of your books. Remember, as you start decluttering or organizing, give yourself a few minutes per day to make sure you finish the task in that time frame. So don't wait to tackle your clutter. A well-organized home has many benefits. As always, thank you for watching Yoga Life with Amelia and Wellness channel. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.